Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Ripple and XRP token. We have big news from different fronts. Also, I want to share with you some charts and a specific chart that will tell you when XRP is pumping, and we are going to cover the last partnerships that Ripple has been managing and doing, the SEC case lawsuit, what is happening with that, and many other things about the Ripple ecosystem. So if you are a XRP holder or a Ripple fan, you need to see this video until the end. There's a lot of news here. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, the first piece of news is that the Ripple remittance technology launches on Shopify via Airwallex new online app. This has been a partnership since 2017. So this company joined Ripple Enterprise Blockchain Network in 2017 to modernize global payments, leveraging the power of blockchain. The global fintech platform also became a part of the RippleNet, adopting blockchain commercially to provide its customers with a unique global payment experience. So now Airwallex launched an online payment app on Shopify. So this is a payment gateway plugin that merchants can integrate to their online store to accept payments from their global customers. And we have many other news. In African-based Hexago recently announced the launch of the British Pound USD and Circle USDC on its payment gateway and trade exchange developed on the XRP Ledger. So this is significantly expansion. We have also the Ripple X announces XRPL grants Wave 3 recipients. So 35 new recipients have been chosen for XRPL grants in Wave 3, which saw initiatives centered on contributing to open source. So more than 175 applications from more than 30 countries were submitted to Web3 at a record rate, and projects that were selected received funds totaling about 3 million. And in terms of the Ripple NFT expansion, if approved by the XRPL community, Ripple proposed NFT protocol known as XLS20. It will enable NFT transactions on XRPL to close in split seconds and would be cheaper to mint, buy and sell. So many news in this front for Ripple and XRP, and many XRP worth of $1 million have been continued flowing into exchanges and wallets, now directly from Ripple addresses. So this kind of moves usually made behind the scenes, and we don't really know what this could mean, but for sure, that amount of money in movement usually means great news for the ecosystem. And in terms of the price action, of course, we are in a bear market. We are at 35 cents right now. And you can see that during 2020 and 2021, this red rectangle was our support and resistance. You can see it was resistance and resistance here. And previously here in 2018 was resistance. But once we break it, we held it as support many times during 2021, and each time that we enter here, it was actually a good time to buy XRP. But in this bear market after May, we broke this support area, and you will see in my videos, this was a great short opportunity at around 50 cents. So you can check my videos on that time of May, where I took some short positions on XRP. Not because I don't like Ripple or XRP and the company, just because it was a clear short opportunity for me. You can see this was the most secure level. This was resistance, resistance, and resistance. We had support here and here. So once we broke it, this actually was the best time to make this short. From 50 cents all the way down. I didn't close it at 28. I did close it around 35 cents. So it was a great short position that. But you can see now that we have many channels here of support and resistance. We are right now trading between 32 and 37. In order for me to start to be a little bullish on XRP, I want to be about 37 for a long time. You can see that 37 is right now resistance and was support here on the previous day from May. And if you look at the past, was support here clearly support and resistance during 2018. So this is not a new support and resistance area. We have a lot of confluence from 2018 and 2019 and 20. So there's really not much news here until we go about 37 cents. And that will give us maybe some power to retest this as resistance first, the 50 cents. But from now we need to see more lower levels. If we don't go above 37 and held their support, then we can come back again to 28 and even go lower to 24 or 20 cents. That will be the worst news for XRP, but we have a lot of confluence testing on those levels. But the chart that I want to show you today is the XRP chart against Bitcoin. I am showing you the weekly chart, and this is all the way from 2013, from the existence of this token. And there's an important level, this yellow line. This usually divides the bearish trends of XRP against the pumps. Right now we are trading here at 1592 satoshis. And the important level is actually the 1973, or you can say 20. So each time that we were above that, we usually have big rallies on XRP against Bitcoin. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, many rallies when we go above this line of support and resistance, which is historically since 2013. You can see all the points of support and resistance, and usually when we are below that, Ripple XRP is suffering. But when we go above that, and this is what I want to show you in this video, when we held support from here, we usually have great chances to make some big rallies. So in order to be bullish on XRP, besides being about 37 or 50 cents on the USDT chart, I want to be above 0.00002 satoshis in this chart of XRP against Bitcoin. At that point, I may even change some Bitcoin into XRP just for the speculation on this chart to have some pump to the upside. And these pumps actually are not small. You can see this is a 300% pump, or even this is like a 100% pump. So that will be a great trading idea. So keep an eye on this chart if you want to be sure that XRP is pumping, because when XRP pumps, it's also doing it not only against USDT but also against Bitcoin. And there are not many cases in the history, but you can confirm on this chart that the cases are for sure many more from the upside than from the downside. In another news, the SEC blocks XRP traders from helping Ripple. The SEC has submitted a petition to the court to block any attempt to testify by XRP holders. The lawsuit between the agency and Ripple has been proceeding, albeit under less scrutiny by the media. However, in a new twist, the Commission has prayed the court to cross out XRP holders and lawyer Sean Deaton from interfering with the case. So the agency prayed that the court not to grant over 1,000 holders of the token and Deaton as amici curiae. The word is generally interpreted as friend of the court, meaning those under the category can assist in any case. In this context, the XRP holders and the attorney can provide detailed assistance to the court regarding essential information and insight. So the SEC is fighting against that. They don't want the XRP holders. They don't want all the media behind that. So they really want to annihilate that opportunity that Sean Deaton has been putting in the table. So we need to look on that, because the media in the SEC Ripple case actually is not a good thing for the agency. In another important great news, Sologenic, the Solo token, is now first XRPL token to be listed on a top exchange. And this is important because now Huobi Global is the first major cryptocurrency exchange to list an XRPL token, and that token is Sologenic. The XRP Ledger serves as the foundation for the complex ecosystem that is known as Sologenic. So more news on this. I hope you receive your airdrop for solo tokens. Actually, I did it. And there was some rumors about the Ripple that refuses the rumors alleging that XRPL Labs was working on a card payment system from Xumm wallet. Actually, the rumors were already discarded and this is not happening, but at some point this could be a good news for Ripple ecosystem. And finally, the Ripple co-founder finally empties XRP wallet after 8 years of dumping spree. And this is from Jed. So now that Jed has finally sold the last of his XRP, it has been estimated that he has earned a total of 3.09 billion and 708 bitcoins since 2014. Most of his sales occurred after the SEC lawsuit against Ripple, so 2.5 billion was cashed out after the 22 of December of 2020. So incredible. This is good news because we don't have anything else with Jed McCaleb. Even if this was not actually so big in the dump of the price of XRP, he was constantly dumping the price in the last 2 years with all the sold of XRP into the market. So this is a great news that this finally ended. We don't want to know anything else about this guy. So guys, those are the last news for XRP and Ripple. Be aware of this chart. This is an important chart to show and follow if you want to know when XRP is going to pump. And of course, the most important thing is the SEC lawsuit with Ripple. If Ripple wins that, it will be major for all the crypto ecosystem. Don't take it wrong. It's not only for Ripple, but it will send the precedent for the rest of the crypto space and more than 12,000 tokens around there. So this is very important. And of course, if Ripple wins, the price of XRP will for sure pump hardly. So that will be another really good news to follow in order to get some earnings from XRP. Well guys, that is all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and subscribe if you want to be up to date with all the Ripple and XRP news and trading strategies, because I always cover Ripple and XRP. And follow me in Twitter at CryptoState to know more about my charts. I did an amazing short position in Matic that if you saw my previous video, you will be having that short with me that worked fantastically. That is all, and see you in the next video. Bye.